Next you got to get to these bolts right here. I'll show you on the other side how to get to those. There is a panel right here that can help you get to this stuff. But I gotta take this out anyway, so I'm gonna remove the whole thing. To get to these other bolts. Got this guy, got these pop rivets here. And we've got some 10 millimeters underneath. See if we can show you. Got this guy right here. That one. And that one down there. I think that's it. Almost got murdered by yippers. Alright, now we just got to disconnect the lights. That's it. We're all done.